In this question, you might feel that you are in monitoring and controlling and you are getting some new requirements, but it's not. Actually, if you look at the last line of the question, it clearly asks you that you have new requirements, or I can say you got approved change requests from monitoring and controlling process group, and to be specific, from perform integrated change control process, and now you are executing it. So when you are executing it, you will go to execution process group and you will utilize direct and managed project work process. So in this scenario, which of the option is irrelevant? And I'm saying it again, it's not talking about what would you do, but it says what is the wrong option in this option, right? So option number A is the right answer, and actually it is irrelevant from the perspective of the question context. The option A says inspecting the deliverables. You inspect the deliverables when you complete or produce your deliverables. Either you produce your deliverable when you have got your scope from planning, or when you got new requirements from monitoring and controlling. Doesn't matter. But in execution, your job is to develop it, to build it, to execute it, to implement it. But in option A, it says that you are validating. This validation is done in monitoring and controlling process. Either you validate in, or basically, check in your control quality process, or you check in your validate scope process. So from the question perspective, it is the right option because it is irrelevant. Option number B, C and D, these all are actually the answers, or you can say the outputs of direct and managed project work. Like in B, it says creating the issue log. So during the execution, you may have some issues and you can record these issues during the execution. Same way, collecting the progress of deliverables. So whenever your team says that they are doing the job, they are executing, you want to collect how much work they have done, how much work is left. So you can call about it. It is actually work performance data as an output of direct and managed project work. And then implementing approved changes or approved new requirements. So this is basically an input which you got from perform integrated change control process. So these are the three relevant things that you perform during direct and managed project work and are relevant. But in this question, we were asking you what is irrelevant. So irrelevant is option number A. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.